Welcome to this guided meditation for self-healing. Find a comfortable seated position, either on a chair or cushion. Sit with your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel yourself settling into this moment, letting go of any external distractions. Now, bring your attention to your body. Begin a gentle scan from the top of your head down to your toes. Notice any areas where you might be holding tension or discomfort. Simply observe these sensations without judgment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine sending healing energy to these areas. Visualize this energy as a warm, soothing light that gently melts away tension and discomfort. Shift your focus to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations. Breathe in deeply through your nose, feeling your lungs fill with fresh, revitalizing air. Exhale fully through your mouth, releasing any stress or negativity. With each breath, imagine that you are inhaling healing energy and exhaling anything that no longer serves you. Feel the sense of renewal with each breath. Now, visualize a serene, healing light surrounding you. This light is warm and comforting, representing the healing energy of the universe. Imagine this light gently enveloping your entire body. Starting from the top of your head and moving down to your toes. As it moves through you, feel it dissolving any blockages or negative energy. Replacing them with a sense of peace and wholeness. Allow yourself to be bathed in this healing light. Feeling its gentle, restorative power. As you continue to bask in this healing light, silently repeat these affirmations. I am whole and complete. My body is healing, and I am at peace. I release all that no longer serves me. I embrace the present moment with love and compassion. Repeat these affirmations as you feel guided, allowing their positive energy to resonate within you. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Remember that this healing energy is always within you and accessible whenever you need it. Thank you for joining this meditation. May you carry this sense of peace and renewal with you throughout your day.